got time for that fuck shit. Come on, Joey.
Like, I'm trying to win today and quit my job tomorrow. You feel me? What drink I'm on, but I think it's like 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. What is up, YouTube? It's your girl Coin, and I'm back with another video. If you hear a lot of noise in the background, I am standing on the balcony of where I'm staying at in Clearwater. I just went to Clearwater for the weekend, just a little getaway. You know, ain't nothing wrong with just getting out of your city. If you don't know what Clearwater is, it's like right next to Tampa. You know, they have a very nice beach. This is day one. I actually got here last night. Last night was Friday, so this is Saturday. The goal right now is to find some food and get drunk. So that's what I'm about to go do. Oh yeah, gotta show y'all the outfit of the day. Little mattress set from Fashion Nova, glasses Fashion Nova, shoes Fashion Nova. And when y'all see the purse, what that is? Fashion Nova, sponsor me. So clearly they have hookah. So I ordered me the blue margarita, and I hope it's strong, because I ordered it with Patron. And the word of the day is drunk. Y'all know that, y'all know that. Ooh,
I got
the blue margarita. It's strong to me. I don't know. This number one is gone. I don't know. Maybe I just want a second one. Why she ain't telling me to make the hookah yet?
And then for the hookah flavor,
Who said that? Nah, apple's fine. So I have my first drink of the day. It's time for the first shot of the day. Can you have alcohol on camera on YouTube? This is a shot of water. Who discovered this? Feel like that none. Feel like that none. This is called a Bramble, and it comes with the Biggie meal. You know, big Biggie, big Biggie.
You gonna whoop your
It's very strong, but it tastes like, I don't know. Like, I literally can't even like describe the flavor. Like, I want to say that's blueberry. The liquor is overpowering the blueberry. You know what I'm saying? I'm done with drink 2. Done with, well, that's done. I'm done with drink 2. Y'all ready for shot 2?
Yeah.
Shot number 2. All right, y'all, so this is what I ordered. I told y'all I ordered the Biggie breakfast, and this is what it comes with. I did order a side waffle. I'm still waiting on that, but yes. My side of waffle came a little late, but I got it. Little aftermath. Quick little bathroom break. Yeah. All right, y'all, so we done left, what's it called? All right, y'all, so we done left the brunch spot, and we decided to go to Elevate, the little game place. I didn't even know they had a bar and grill until it just, you know, set it on the building. But I'm not gonna forget to, you know, record shot 3. Here we go. That shit is nasty. Y'all, I took off my little jacket, or the little cover up. Show my jacket. All right, y'all. All right, shot number 4, and then we're going inside. I'm fine as fuck.
We can go.
That was some hater ass shit. Go rush me out of the car when I'm feeling myself. I don't like that.
Nobody got time for that fuck shit.
Y'all, so they making me take a 5th shot before I leave the car. So pray for me. I hate Patron. You ever make a video here?
Yeah, hell no. We not.
Well, guess what? I'm JP. I make a bit say, hey, oh, blah. Why you hating on JP? I feel great. Like, I'm not drunk, but I'm lit. whoop their ass. Hopefully I whoop their ass because I'm talking shit like I'm gonna whoop their ass, but you know I gotta stand on business. I'm gonna whoop their ass. Y'all see me, first round of strike. Okay.
Yeah.
We're gonna get a little spare. Y'all see me up there, man. Y'all see me up there. Drink number 3. I'm on shot 5. I haven't taken no shots since I've been here, but this is drink 3. It's tequila sunrise, by the way. Y'all wanna know? Y'all see me, man. Looks like I won, you guys. I won. This was gonna happen that I lost count of drinks, but I think I had a total of 3 drinks in there. Added to the total before because, bitch, I don't know. So we done switched locations. We are at the Hard Rock in Tampa. I'm drunk as hell.
Really, you feel me? Lots of
Ain't nothing wrong with a little tequila sunrise. Ain't nothing wrong with it. I mean, I guess I'm having a good time at the casino. I'm not really losing. But I don't got no big wins either. Like, I'm trying to win today and quit my job tomorrow. You feel me? Most likely, I don't know what drink I'm on, but I think it's like 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. You know, it don't matter. It don't matter. So y'all losing cocaine. Y'all losing cocaine in the casino. I know you up in here, Jocelyn. Where you at, Jocelyn? Good morning, Utah. That was for y'all. But it's the 2nd/3rd day in Clearwater. Like I said, I got here on Friday, but I ain't do shit because I was tired. Yesterday was Saturday. Y'all seen that. If I lost track of my drinks, my shots, that was the whole point. I was supposed to. Today is Sunday, and we just about to start the day by going to the gym. I don't got on my watch, but I think it's like 9 something right now. Yeah, I need to go sweat all this liquor out. So come on. Let's go. I love how they like already be having my car downstairs. It ain't even no biz, but they think I'm important. I'm gonna show y'all this every chance I get. Y'all gonna see it 50,000 times because it is so cute. What you keep giving?
Oh, hell yeah.
All right, y'all, so I just got to the gym. I'm not even gonna lie to you. I feel like throwing up all this liquor from last night. Day just caught your ass working out while hungover with nothing on your stomach. Just put all that together and then you can figure out how I'm feeling right now. But we're just about to finish up, you know, in the sauna, sweat all this alcohol out so we can go drink some more and leave. Well, just making a little pit stop after the gym. That's all. Yes. All right, y'all, so a little vlog update. We have washed our ass, you know, coming from the gym, but we just like walking around like where, you know, we're staying at. They got like a lot of shit out here. For the most part, you know, just walking, sightseeing, and drinking. Yeah, we were drinking. Yeah. What's up, YouTube? So we actually got tired from the walk and decided to, you know, come back. But we just ordered, you know, like some takeout, and, you know, just chilling, like watching the sunset from the balcony. I'm definitely feeling, you know, chilling, taking in the view, just eating some food. and go under bed. Like, that's what I like to do. Y'all look at my edges. I hate when my edges turn white, but I just woke up from a nap and they be doing that. I don't feel like doing shit. I feel lazy as fuck. It is 5 o'clock in the morning. I just want to say, like, be careful who you go out of town with because they might wake you up at 5 o'clock in the morning to go to the fucking casino. And then your dumb ass get up and go. That's the thing. But yeah, so we're at the fucking Hard Rock. And I'm about to get a tequila sunrise before the sunrise. Because, yeah, why not? But hopefully I win some money because if I don't, get woken up at 4:30 to win no money. Okay, I know who ass I'ma whoop. First tequila sunrise before the sunrise. Okay. What was that, $10? Oh, I thought I wanted to say. Yeah! Alright, y'all, quick little update. So after the casino, I went and took me, a shower, washed my ass, and took a nap. But we're just walking to go get some food. It's such a nice day out. It's such a nice ass out. Oh my god. Outfit Fashion Nova, shoes Fashion Nova, purse. I think I actually got it from TJ Maxx. Ain't going on the people website, spend all their money. It's right there in TJ Maxx. Thank you. And I think it was like $14.99. Alright, y'all, so I got me a burrito bowl and 3 tacos. And I got a margarita and I mixed it with pina colada and strawberry. I should get one.
That's another one when you come back around.
I don't know if you can see it, but we decided to come to SkyZone because they got the one with the running basketball court. So yeah, we finna come in here and be childish because you already know we out of the influence, but you know why not? Ooh, it's lit in here. Let's go to registration. I got my socks, y'all. I'm finna do your ass in this hoop, and I'm not even finna lie to you, my guy. Y'all know this my first nature right here. You know what I'm saying? I'm tired. I'm too old for this. Alright, y'all, so I don't know how I ended up back in the casino, but yeah, I'm finna gamble. I'm finna win some of my money because I'm hyped up from last night. Clearly, I promise you, let me win some money. I'm not going back to the people job. I'm not going back to the people job. You can't pay me to go back to the people job. So update, I didn't win anything. I'm taking my ass home. No winnings this time. Although I didn't win any money, I did have 3 tequila sunrises, You never go wrong with that. All right, y'all, so it is, I don't even know what day it is, but last day clearly because I'm leaving Clearwater. I want to stay. It was so nice, but anything outside of work or back in my hometown, I never want to go back home. So y'all don't mind me, I'm dramatic. But hopefully you guys enjoyed this vlog. If you haven't already, just make sure you go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. But y'all, I am tired. I got a 3-hour drive back home. Thank you guys always and forever for tuning in, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, YouTube.